Hi, welcome to another Power Blast podcast. This week, I am in Indianapolis for the Beachbody Coach Summit 2018. I'm going to tell you about it. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, Tinsley here, creator of the Power Blast podcast, health and fitness coach, and I am in Indianapolis, Indiana, and right downtown here for a big event. It's my 11th Coach Summit, Beachbody Coach Summit, and I'm going to tell you what, every time I've been to one of these, the experience has been different, it's been fun, it's been energetic, and every year I find that when I'm traveling to this event, I just get so excited to run into friends that I've only met maybe on Facebook or in challenge groups or on other social media like Instagram. And then some old friends that have been around the Beachbody world even before there was a coaching network, back in the P90X days, etc. I'll tell you what, the very first Coach Summit that I was at was held in Anaheim, California. And we were, I think maybe, I'm guessing between 250 to 270 people. And then I'm not even sure how many are registered for this year's event. Last year, I think we were just shy of 25,000 coaches showing up. And so you're seeing a little walkway here that I'll tell you what, the events team for Team Beachbody, they roll out the red carpet and they really, great attention to detail. Over the years, they just seem to step up their game a little bit. So seeing all the trainers and all the pictures from different events, etc. And we just got done registering and we got done going through the kind of like a little shopping mall, if you will, Team Beachbody Mall, within the convention center here. But just down the way, I'm trying to figure out what my direction is. There is Lucas Oil Field, which is where the Indianapolis Colts play, and we'll actually have events in that stadium. So the Beachbody Coach Summit, I mean, I think what drew me to Beachbody to even become a coach was four things. I think we've got, it's kind of like this hub for health and fitness. It's not only the workouts and great nutrition, but it also brings about the sense of community and the support of not only a coach. That's what I found was when I was struggling, overcoming the loss of my first wife, who died in a car crash, and I was overcoming that after I'd just gotten done with P90. I was using P90X as that thing to just get me to get through such a depressing time in my life. And so when I started realizing that there was this community around and starting to connect with a lot of people and finding out there were people that were struggling with different things in life or had just gotten off track with health and fitness. I wasn't even into health and fitness, but I just found this community. And that's what the Coach Summit is really about. It's the celebration of a lot of accomplishments that people have done, either with their own independent Beachbody coach, their own independent Beachbody coach business, or their transformation, how their lives have changed and what these programs and these products have done for people. Even with the business stuff, I mean, I know a lot of times people are really advanced in business, but it's what the business has done for some coaches and people. They've been able to help them become financially independent or pay off some major credit card or just help another person and inspire another person to get off the couch and to be healthy and well and all that. So I'm really excited for this year. The theme this year is called Believe in You. And that's what I always do. I mean, every week that I come into your living room or on your iPod or wherever I'm catching you, maybe it's on YouTube, I realize that you've got the ability and the power to turn things around and to take control. And I believe in you. And that's what this is all about, is empowering each other, supporting each other, It's not only me being a coach, but I find that you coach me when you're reaching out, when you're connecting, when you're sharing this video to uplift and inspire somebody. And if you feel inclined to or empowered to, I mean, join our team as a Team Beachbody Coach. It's so rewarding and fulfilling. And like I said, we're finding this to be kind of that hub of helping everybody connect the fitness piece, the health and nutrition piece, the community, and then that support from a coach. Just bringing all that together, that helps people stay engaged. That helps people just live healthy, fulfilling lives, and that's what it's all about. So I'm really excited to get in, meet more people. I've already run into a few people in the hallway as we're all flying in. This is I think officially the event starts tomorrow. Like I said, we've taken advantage of getting in there and doing some shopping and being around and being able to just be a part of this. And I'm losing my train of thought, but anyway, so excited. Indianapolis, we are, maybe you can Google this, or hopefully I'll have some video footage of it later. We are gonna do a super workout with all of the Beachbody trainers. They all come on for like 10-15 minutes and do a workout session, and that's going to be in a city center. I forget the name of the official name of the circle, but it's going to be an absolute incredible time, and we'll just get it on and get in there. And we're also doing a Lift 4, brand new workout program that's coming out. Lift 4 workout with Joel Freeman coming up. I think that's on Friday morning. So that'll be a blast. And make sure you try that program out, because it's strength training and cardio, and it's only 4 days a week. I think a lot of people can really get a hold of that schedule, right? All right, that's all I have for this week. I'm so glad that you tuned in, that you've joined me downtown Indianapolis. And if you found this empowering, please share it and or comment, or even reach out to me, perrytinsley@gmail.com, and we can talk about becoming a Beachbody coach, or even getting you started with your own health and fitness journey, because I believe in you. And if you get into your podcast app, you can give an honest rating and review of this podcast. That would certainly help reach more people. And as always, remember, it's never too late. We'll see you next week.